Hey guys, today I'm excited to unbox and show you how to set up this tripod stand that also works as a selfie stick. All right, let's get started. So as soon as you open up the box, everything you need comes included. So here you actually have the tripod stand, selfie stick, as well as the remote which you can pair with your phone via Bluetooth, which is nice. You just press a single button here and you can take either a photo or start recording. This is the actual phone holder in itself, which is really nice because first impressions, you have rubber on both sides so that it protects your phone, that way it's not scratching it. Really simple to open up. You just use the bottom. It's almost like a pinching motion, and you literally just place your phone there and it holds. Mind you, this phone is broken, does not work. It's just for demonstration purposes. So as you can see, it's securely put in there. So I'll leave it in here for now. You also get this GoPro attachment, really cool, as well as a travel bag, which is really nice because I tend to travel quite a bit, so it's always nice to have a little bag to pretty much put all my pieces together. That way they're not just all scrambling around my backpack or my bag or whatever I put it in. So it's always nice to have a little travel bag. Kind of nice that they included that. And then you have the tripod selfie stand in itself. First impressions of this tripod selfie stick, it feels really nice. It feels really durable. It feels like quality material. And it also feels surprisingly really light. So if you are going to be using this as a selfie stick, it doesn't seem like it's going to take much effort, and the weight doesn't seem like it's going to hurt your arm to hold it up, which is really cool. What I also really like that they did is they also have some rubber here on the grip. That way it's a little bit sturdier when you do hold it in your hand. It's not sliding around, which is really nice. And then another thing that I noticed is this is where you put the remote, which is really cool. Really nice that you can just literally plug in the remote there. It gets stuck in its place. That way you're not misplacing items, because if you're anything like me, I'm always losing a certain piece of an equipment. And so it's always nice to have a little compartment storage unit here for this remote. That way I don't go ahead and lose it. All right, to actually use the tripod stand, first of all, it expands really easily. It says it goes anywhere from 13 inches to 62 inches. So it definitely gives you quite a bit of range on, when you stand it up. And then to actually use the legs, you just unlock this device here. That way it opens up. And then you open the leg. And you simply just lock it back in its place. And now it's locked. Very simple to use if you were trying to use it as a tripod stand. For your actual iPhone, when you're gonna be attaching it, it's really simple. You just, once your phone is mounted, or you can attach it here, and then you just lock it in its place. Sorry, this phone is cracked. It's only for demonstration purposes only. And there you go. Very easy to, hold it. You can set it down. You can unlock the legs and use it. And then this little lever right here actually unlocks it so that you can actually get more range. So if you're gonna be filming more items with your hands and you want it to be standing there, or if you're gonna angle it in another direction to showcase more of the table or the floor, it's really nice that you're able to get full range of motion in this area. And then all you do is you just tighten it on the side, and boom. Very easy. You want to take out your phone. Very simple to do. Put the phone back in. So overall, really cool, really neat. I'm excited to be using this, especially because I need more tripods for content filming or when I travel. It's always nice to have a selfie stick. And more importantly, I love that it comes with a remote, Bluetooth remote. That way I can actually use it to film. And in case I have it extended and I need to reach to stop recording or to continue recording, it'll be really simple. So first impressions, this is great. I'm excited to continue to use this and learn more about this. And overall, really good product, and I highly recommend this one. So yeah, thank you for watching.